Hey guys, welcome back to Trading for Living. So today we are going to see one of the tools which I have created to solve a problem you can say for the price action traders in MT4 and MT5. Now as you guys know that in MT4 and MT5 we cannot synchronize our drawing tools. For example, if I draw an arrow over here from MT5 or I draw a trend line, or you can say if I draw a rectangle to show my zone area in MT4 or MT5. Now this drawings will won't synchronize automatically to another time frames. So if I draw something on the higher time frame, it won't be able to show it on the lower time frame. Well, there are some few tools available in the market area of MT5 MQL website that will synchronize to all the time frames, but those tools are not that much sophisticated, or you can make modify. They only copy your lines and they have no options to modify any colors or any system. So looking into that, so I have created a tool which is called multi time frame drawing support and resistance, because this is basically used to verify the supports and resistance in the market area. And you can say you can create and draw zones with this tool. So we'll see the properties of this indicator. Now this indicator will be drawing on each and every time frame of your available in the MT5 or MT4 in the MT4 version. Now you can change the color, the size, the width of the number of bars you need it to draw on. Now it will draw the rectangle, the channel, the trend line, arrow line, eclipse, and even it will give the alerts whenever the trend line or the arrow lines are being hit, or you can say whenever the channel trend lines have been hit. So let's see how it draws on the chart. Now as you see, I have placed the indicator. Now I'm going to go and change a set file which I have created already. Okay, now you see it has changed the colors which were previously there by default. Now when I say OK, it will show on my chart. Okay, now if I draw, see for example, if I draw a channel now, right now a resistance channel over here, the same area which we draw the MQL. Now you can see it has a border also to separate it from the main color of the channel. It can draw the support zone also. Now let's draw a channel. Now it will draw the resistance channel. You can draw arrow, and whenever you whatever labels you want to mark it, you can mark it. Now we are drawing this everything on M30 chart. Now if I go and minimize, now you will be able to see that this thing has drawn on each and every chart. Even if you go on 1 minute chart, it will show you 4-hour chart, 15-minute chart. So whichever time frame is true to draw to copy the drawings from the main chart, it will draw on that chart. Even if you detach this chart from the MT5 main trading terminal, and if you move anything or draw anything, it will copy on that thing instantly. Within a second it will draw anything, or you copy anything or move anything or modify anything, and as soon as it goes on the bar of the current bar, and if the level is there, it's gonna give you the alert also. Now as the push alerts have been disabled, let's enable them. See, as soon as you hit resistance line hit, so it's going to give the alert also. So I hope you guys like this drawing tool for your MT5 and MT4, and I'm going to place the links to buy this indicator in the description of this YouTube video, and I hope this thing helps you in your trading. Happy trading. Thank you.